Hey guys, it's Garcia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. This is me in Santa's dress, and I hope Santa fulfills all your dreams and wishes. So make a wish. I love decorating my home and my Christmas tree. If you guys haven't watched my last video on decorating the Christmas tree, please check it out after watching this video. I love Christmas because everything is so colorful and jolly. All the stores have bright lights and sparkly decorations. Homes have Christmas trees glistening through the window with bright lights and snowflakes. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I decorate a cute pencil case on a pouch to gift it to my friend as a Christmas gift. There is something about putting together a gift. Wrapping it up and putting a pretty bow on top is so pleasing. Then to put it under the tree makes it even more beautiful. Before that, I just want to share with you that I've changed my phone's wallpaper to a Christmas theme. And it looks amazing and made me feel happy. I just can't miss any moment when it is Christmas, the most beautiful time of the year. So guys, without further ado, let's begin. For a Christmas gift to give to my friend, I have chosen to give this cute little pouch, and I'm gonna decorate it with crystals and lace stickers. My idea is to make some snowflakes as it is a Christmas season. The materials I've bought are 2 packets of small and large crystals and a lace to decorate the case. So let's get started! Very much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel as it is free, and and I'll be posting many interesting videos very soon. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.